Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to write Twitter threads. So first things first, you have to choose a topic worth threading. You can go to any web browser and then search for that specific topic that you want to make a thread for a Twitter. So let's just say it's all about personal stories or things you didn't know. Let's just say. Now you have to open your Twitter and then log into your account. Tap on this plus icon right here to start a thread here on Twitter. Now, let's just say you will be posting about things you didn't know about relationship. The first thing you should do here is you have to write a hook. So your first tweet is the most important. Make it bold, intriguing, clear on what value the thread gives. It should be captivating. So for example, my hook here is that most people think relationships end because of cheating or big fights, but the truth, it's the small, unnoticed things that destroy them. So this is my hook. And you can add a picture here from your gallery. So all you have to do is to add the picture. Now for the second thread, you have to click the plus icon. And at this time, you need to break your content into clear parts. So for example, you have one, two, three, something like that. So you have to make sure that this is just a short sentences, list or numbering. You can add emojis for clarity and spacing between ideas. Now that you have your content, you need to tap the plus icon again, and then this time you can now add summary or at least call to action. So you can add here a call to action, like which one surprised you the most. Okay. And then lastly, you can now promote your thread or you can now promote your other social media here. So you can say follow me at and then add your other social media, or you can add your Twitter account here. So that's how to write Twitter threads. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.